everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. I'm here doing my Tea Tuesday, but I'm having kefir with frozen fruit and frozen blueberries, and it's pomegranate and something else. Anyways, it's pomegranate and something else with frozen fruit and frozen blueberries and kefir. Very delicious. Good for your intestines. Lori, I got the lovely fabric from the lovely Lori, Paint Early. Thank you so much, Lori. I appreciate that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but for now, I'm going to hoard it. Maybe I'll make a card or something. I don't know. So I missed my Make a Card Monday yesterday because I slept. What did I do yesterday? Oh, I had a test. I had a test to see if I have a blood clot in my thigh. Not my thigh, my calf, because I have a sore calf and the medication I'm taking for my arthritis can cause that. So I went and got that tested. Don't know the answer yet. I'm sure if I was dying, they would let me know. Today, I had to go to another doctor, get my prescription renewed. My GP retired recently, and I'm without a doctor, so I had to go to a clinic. It was a nice doctor. Got all my stuff done. Now I gotta go get some blood work done. I know I'll get that done sometime next week, because this week I have another doctor appointment on Thursday. It's doctor's week, to see about the surgery I have to have on my front tooth here. I broke my front tooth right at the gum level, and I've had a root canal in that tooth, so the tooth is dead. They just have to take it out, but you can't just yank it out because it's, I'm gonna have to cut the gum and everything. That's gonna be lovely. And I'll have to go and stay with my daughter for a day so that I'm not all doped up by myself. Speaking of my daughter, this weekend my daughter is going away to New York for their friends for the weekend. So I'm babysitting her cat. So there will not be a Saturday live. I'll do my shout outs early. I'll do it tomorrow, I guess, or today, and have those ready for on the weekend. But I can't do any live video because I don't have my art supplies at her house. So that's that. What is happening in my life besides going to the damn doctor? Let's see. This is last week's schedule, but last week and this week are pretty much the same, except of course I had to go to the doctor every 5 minutes this week. Is it Tuesday? Oh, I got going out tonight. Going out with my friends tonight. I almost forgot about that. I will be having a live tomorrow at 3 p.m. And Thursday I have something in the evening. Oh, I'm going to my daughter's house. I'm gonna write that down. I'll forget. Go to Sarah's house. Saturday shoutouts. I go see my mom. I gotta finish up my blanket for my mother. Finish up her blanket. It's getting there. It's just needs to be a little bit longer, and I need to do the outside of it. And then we're done. She loved it. And we decided that she needs a blanket for her bed too. I said, what color do you like? She said blue. So I'll show you what I picked out. She thought it was very nice and got very excited about the whole thing. My mom is 94, but she's got dementia now, and she's kind of like a 5-year-old little girl. She's very cute, very sweet. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do her blanket out of this, and we're gonna make it big, so her whole bed is covered. She can be cozy in the nice cozy bed. Because, she's in a She's in like a hospital bed. She says it's not very comfortable. So the very least I could do was make her a nice, beautiful blanket. So that is that. What did I do this week? I finished my daughter's thing. So I'll show you my mom's. My mom's the same as my daughter's. Where did it go? Here it is. I decided I would make my mom's out of the same blanket material because it's nice and soft. So I'm on my third ball. So I had to stop for a bit. My hands were getting sore. Oops. So that's that. I did that this week. And this week I also made some cards. So remember this? We did this on Saturday. Some nice cards I made, in case you missed it. Oh, I like this one. And this one. I love when you don't plan anything and then things just happen. So cool. It's the best. That's the thing I love most about art. You just, you don't plan it. It just kind of happens organically. And the last one is like this. Oh, I got some. Speaking of cards, I got to mail a card right now. These out because I got a mail card to someone. Oh, I was going to do something with these 2 cards I made a long time ago. These, but they need some, obviously they need a little bit more bling bling. I got 2 of them like that, so I'm going to fix those up. Oh, I was going to show you this. I organized all my card supplies because they were a mess. I bought these this week. They're like all different colors. And they're like a card with a card and an envelope that match, and they're super soft. These are like a gift. They're like a gift. My daughter's birthday is next month. She wants this one. She wants this one, the green one. So I guess I'll leave that out too. Do that one as well. So that's nice. Those are fun. So I'm gonna do that this week. And, oh, she wanted this. She wanted this in her card. Oh, and she wanted the flower. See, hold on, folks. She wanted a flower. I remembered. She liked these flowers. There's one. There's another one. It's pink. There's another one. Yeah, I've got purple. Says green. That's green, but I don't think she liked that one. I know my daughter. I know what she likes and what she doesn't like. So, yeah. This one or this one? I think this one. I think this one will be good. Or this one. Which one? Which one, guys? Anyways, I'll decide. That'll be that. These are good too for that, eh? Green and pink and orange. Ching ching. Cheers. Hi. Oh, I forgot to do all my stuff that I do. I forgot to do what I do on Tuesday. All the cards. I'm gonna pick a card. Pick a card. Flexibility. Let's be flexible today, people. Let's do our flexibility. Don't be so stressed out and controlled. Just relax. And we're going to read the book. The book is called Journey to the Heart. It's by Melanie Beattie. Someone was asking. I'll put the link down below. It's Tuesday. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. Send love letters, February 14th. Sending love letters to people we care about is a rewarding experience, both for us and for them. Making the time to take a pen to hand and express our thoughts is valuable. But there's another way to send love letters too. This way takes much more time and attention, as writing a love letter does, but it doesn't require a paper and pen. It requires concentrated thought. There's an invisible thread of energy winding through the universe, one that connects us all. I truly believe this in the heart of hearts. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you can tell if someone's angry or upset with you, even if you haven't talked to or seen this person? You can feel his or her anger, even if you haven't been physically present to experience it. Thoughts have power, particularly those charged with intense emotional energy. When we think mean, bitter thoughts, it can be like sending hate mail along our connecting wires. It can almost be a sensory attack. Why send love letters, loving thoughts charged with positive? Why not send loving thoughts charged with positive emotional energy? We can conscientiously choose to use our connections to others to send love. Send positive thoughts, blessings, peace, assistance in times of crisis. We can send our thoughts in the form of a prayer, or we can simply think a blessing or a positive thought. Charge it with energy and send it along the wires with love. When someone we know or love comes to mind, or even someone you don't know, perhaps someone in another part of the country or the world, perhaps someone going through a particular crisis, and you're not even certain what to do, send a love letter. Your loving thoughts will touch them, and your blessings will come back to you. Melody Beattie. Well, that's a great idea. Ooh, okay, that's it. My house, my space is still a mess from on Saturday when I did my letters. My cards. In any case, I hope you have a great week great week. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, yes. I'll see you tomorrow on my live at 2 p.m. Until then, I gotta do a Make a Card Monday too, so we'll see if that's gonna get done. I want to get it done, so it'll get done. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.